first thing you're going to do on this center is read the passage 3 times. Remember to color in those smiley faces after every time that you read it, and you're going to answer the 3 questions. Make sure you look back in your passage for your answers. They're all there. The second center, you're going to have 2 sheets. One sheet is going to have this on it. The second sheet is going to have these on it, and you only need 1 set of them. So these are compound words. So for example, we have a rattlesnake here. So you would cut out the word rattlesnake and glue it here. Here we have a backpack. So where's backpack? Here's backpack. Backpack would go here. Pretty self-explanatory. The third thing you're going to do is color the past tense verbs blue and color the present tense verbs green. Now remember, present tense, you don't add anything to it or you add an S, but I don't see any with S on it. So present tense are just left alone. If it happened in the past tense, you would add an ED to it. So if you see an ED on it, you need to color it blue. For example, let's see, planted, that has an ED, I'm going to color it blue. Now, if I look at the word play, there's nothing added to it. That is a present tense verb. It's happening right now. The girl played, or the girls play. That's happening right now.